So when we call super method explicitly, see for example, in a parent class, there is an instance variable. Of course, we are initializing through constructor. We know the process of initialization. This dot a equals to a. And here it is, there is a child class which is extending from the parent. In child class, another instance variable is there. We need to initialize in the child class. But here, when we call super of explicitly means, whenever you create object for child, see obj equal to new child, then what will happen? Object will be created for parent instance variables as well as child instance variables also, so that obj holds the address. We need to provide initial value to the parent class variable and child class variable only in child object creation process. So if you pass two values, for example 10, 20, these two values you have to collect here into two variables, suppose a comma b. But now a, you need to pass to the parent class by invoking the constructor. So here you must call super of explicitly and pass the value. It will invoke the parent class constructor, then a value will store. With the help of this, you will assign value to a first. Then the b value you are assigning to child, like this dot b equal to b. That value will store here. So in child object creation process, if you want to assign values to parent class instance variables, we need to call super of explicitly from the child class constructor. In child object creation process, if you want to give initial values to parent class instance variables, you must call super of from the child.